tonight's mission is to drag this old truck. I just want to, I'm not going to go far with it, I just want to see if this tractor's up for it. I have steered the truck this way, as the wheels do steer, so that's a good thing. And I decided I was going to take the back plate off, but I decided to leave it on. That way if this truck takes off, I've got something between me and the truck. This is a heavy enough back plate, but I'm not going to hurt it. So, let's see if I can first get Ollie into here. That wasn't so bad. I'm gonna say that's about it. All right, Ollie. Ollie's got this shit. We're moving, folks. This old Chevy truck hasn't moved in years. Come on, Ollie, you got this. Come on. We're going downhill. Come on, you got this. I see them so many other here. Getting caught on the blade there. Alright, so I just gotta reconfigure things. Oh, he's got this shit.